Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crypto Potluck. In this video, I wanted to show off all of my hard work, where we're at with application development, and really what I've been up to and why I've been so quiet for these past few days. So in general, I knew that if I wanted something done right, I needed to do it myself. So I wanted to rethink automation trading in general and try and create something of value to kind of fill in the gap. As far as what is missing, I think that you need a few things in order to be a successful automation trader. You need community, you need research, you need strategy, and then you need the actual trading bot and execution. Those are the four key aspects of being successful in this industry. So for that reason, I have specifically targeted each section, and I decided to make a particular app around it to kind of help you guys, and I just wanted to show you where we're at. We're still at the foundation part where we're still trying to figure how we're going to structure everything, but I think you'll like what you'll see so far. So with this, this is a Python-based program that I have developed that is going to be working within Binance APIs so that we can actually automation trade, and we can actually crunch numbers, get data on what our current balance is, our past trades, and all that good information. So this is a really good building off point, but as far as this, I built out the database to host users. I also built out the way so that users can actually post and exchange information, and then I'll show you a little bit more. So let's just dive into creating an account. So once you click login, you get brought up with your login information, and then if you log in, you're brought up to the actual home page. This is where we're actually going to be posting more useful information than this jibber jabberish, but I've just been in testing, so I haven't really worried about it. But then you actually have your user profile right here, which you can change your profile picture. You have your username, and then, like, for example, if I wanted to update it, and I update it, and then if I want to go into the blog, you can see that my name changed. So now for the posts, if you want to update a post, you can just go here, you can change it, and you're just like, I don't like what that has to say, I'll just say hi instead, and then it changes it. So this is really cool, and as far as being able to check other people's posts, I can't edit theirs, which is very needed. But over here, we're also connected to the Discord because I know how much I really want to start using the Discord more, and we actually have all of the altcoins here where you can actually go in, and then, like, for example, Ethereum, right? You click on Ethereum, you have all of the latest tweets by Vitalik Buterin. You have, the Ethereum project. It's going to be everything of useful for helping you figure out what's going on in the market and everything else. And then if you just want to jump in and you just want to talk within the community, here you go. So that's how you can do that. And then we can actually go into, like, this is where I'm going to have the change log. But then if we go into the community stations, right, we have a bunch of different areas that we can go to. I'm still building all this out, but over here for, like, research, for example, I think this is the cool one where we can actually get to an information research page, which I am currently building out, where you're going to be brought up to a dashboard where you're going to have all of the key information of what is going on within the market and channels to find new useful things. So as far as what do we have here, we have the construction where we have we're brought up to BTC. Eventually this is going to be connected to every altcoin, but if you want to change it, you can just click on here and then you can type in whatever new altcoin you want. So, like, for example, Ethereum, if I wanted to look at Ethereum, and then there we go. So we got the ability to graph on here. Everything else, you can add, different clouds or whatever strategy you want to look more into. And then we're going to be brought up to the actual Twitter page of that altcoin for each one. And then we have the Reddit page of each altcoin. So you can actually go down here, and then you can actually, if you wanted, and you're just like, okay, I'm actually not even going to use the Reddit page. So I'm just going to move this, but the Reddit page is really powerful. You can actually comment in here, and you can actually connect to your Reddit account. But let's just say if you don't want that, you can actually move your dashboard around, and then you can get something so that it's a little bit nicer, and you can actually enlarge your graph if that's what's more important to you. So yeah, if we go like that, and then we actually enlarge it, voila. So now you actually have a large graph. We're actually connected to the Steemit platform too, because I know a lot of people are getting interested in Steemit. So you can actually like people's posts from here. You can click on it and you can get to whatever they're about, and each feed is going to be basically designated to the specific altcoin, which is also going to be powerful to actually bring some use into the Steemit platform, because I find that their whole system's kind of very disorganized. So at least for the altcoins, we'll have a little bit of structure for the Steemit platform. Now, I really wanted to make it so that we can bring on other talented people. And in order to do that successfully, I'm of course needing to build the foundation, but I'm looking for people that are really good traders, you know, people that are interested in cryptocurrency. Maybe you are really good at doing research, or you're trying to build out your own community. So in order to do this successfully, we're going to integrate an ability so that people, you can actually upload your videos, and then they're going to have their own page. So for example, for myself, you know, I stream a lot, and if I want to do a live stream on the app, I can just go over here, and then I can edit YouTube streams, and then I can actually embed the URL of the stream, and then it gets updated right here. So then I can actually teach people, you know, basically how to do technical analysis, new indicators, all that stuff, and then we actually have the graph right here so that they can you know, actually play along, and they can actually you know, make sure that they're following and they're learning and they're actually getting some hands-on experience. We're going to add other unique widgets for other content creators. So if, for example, a content creator has let's just say a shop or something, you know, we'll have other widgets right here so that you can easily connect to it, and you can just, you know, whatever they're trying to do. We want to make this an open platform, and the way that I did this was structure everything out into these little widget blocks, so that we can actually do that, and so that people, they can actually add code into the block, and then it will create a new app on top of our platform, so then other people can use it, and then it provides more value to their actual communities. So I'm really trying to fill in the gap where there is a huge opportunity to kind of get this right, because I've seen so many platforms not do this the right way, and I really want to bring us back to what is important. So in this little bit of time, I just wanted to show you guys what I have. I think it's kind of impressive. I would love your thoughts on what I'm building out right now. What would you like to see? I kind of want to record this process and take you guys along the journey, because this is a ambitious project. Doing something of this nature is crazy, but you know, you have to push the boundaries to get anywhere in life, and I really wanted to show you guys how I'm doing it, and I wanted to help get you guys engaged so that we can all build something out of value to help each other own this market. So with that, at the end of the day, you guys are your own investors. I appreciate all the support, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day trading the market.